LG front-load washing machine is equipped with a drain pump filter that makes lost buttons and loose change a thing of the past. In this video, we will show you how to retrieve any lost items and keep your LG washer running properly for years to come. LG recommends cleaning out the drain pump filter of any lost items and lint buildup on a monthly basis. Before we begin, make sure the unit is empty, turned off, and drained of any visible water in the tub. Locate the access panel on the lower front of your front load washer. Next, grab a shallow pan and have it ready by placing it near the access panel to collect the water. Open and remove the access panel by pulling the tab downward and out, revealing a drain hose and drain pump filter. Pull the drain hose carefully into the pan and remove the plug from the hose, allowing the water to drain completely. Be careful not to pull the hose too far out, as this can cause the hose to kink, preventing the water from draining properly. Once the water is drained, plug the drain hose and reinsert it back into place. Next, remove the pump filter by turning the filter counterclockwise. Have a rag handy because a little bit of water will run out when the filter is removed. Remove lost items and any lint and debris from the pump filter. To clear any buildup, wash thoroughly by hand. When finished, reverse the process. Insert the pump filter back into its slot and turn clockwise until it stops. And finally, reinsert the access panel and close. Please check your drain pump filter periodically, especially if you notice a slow drain or your display shows an OE error code. Thank you for watching our customer support video. We hope you enjoy your LG experience.